Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Vercel to deploy a crypto dApp step by step clearly. Create an account on Vercel if you haven't already. Go to the Vercel website and click on the sign up button. Choose to sign up with either GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Authorize Vercel to access your chosen Git account. Once logged in, click on the New Project button on your dashboard. Connect your Git repository that contains your crypto dApp. After selecting your repository, Vercel will automatically detect the framework. Review the detected settings to ensure they are correct. Configure any environment variables needed for your dApp. These can be added in the Environment Variables section. Next, click on the Deploy button to start the deployment process. Wait for Vercel to build and deploy your application. Once deployment is complete, you will receive a unique URL for your dApp. Click on the URL to access your deployed crypto dApp. Test your application to ensure everything is working as expected. If any adjustments are needed, make changes in your code repository. Pushing updates to your Git repository will trigger a new deployment automatically. Monitor your deployment and check for any error messages in the Vercel dashboard. With these steps, your crypto dApp is now successfully connected and deployed on Vercel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.